Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. After logging into your Shopify account, from the home page, head over to your dashboard and open the Online Store section from the menu on the left. This will bring you to your Themes area, where you can click Edit Theme to access the theme customizer. Inside the customizer, click Add Section to view all available layout options. Although the Dawn theme doesn't provide a built-in testimonial section, it does include a multi-column section, which works perfectly for displaying customer testimonials in a slider format. Select the multi-column section to add it to your page, and then customize it by editing the text, images, and layout so it fits your brand style. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to click Save in the top right corner to apply all changes to your live store. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more Shopify tips and tricks.